Agricultural civilizations from the East and the Mediterranean history. The first civilizations, they arose on the borders of the great rivers of Asia and the Nile River, in Africa, because there were the most fertile lands. The river Nile supported life in the ancient Egypt. Next to the Nile, one of the longest rivers in the world, the Egyptian civilization settled down. They took advantage of the river for irrigation and navigation. It served as a source of food for the people of ancient Egypt. Agricultural civilizations invented writing to conserve and generate new knowledge. One of these forms of writing was the cuneiform, which is a form of writing that consists of wedge-shaped patterns pressed into wet mud tablets. The religion was polytheistic, that is, they worshipped several deities, to maintain fertility, face fatalities and join as a society. The gods were mythological representations of the nature, some animals and the stars, although some had human appearance and attributes. Greeks, it was one of the civilizations that developed near the islands of the Mediterranean Sea. Greek democracy. The term democracy means government of the people, and emerged in the city of Athens in the 5th century BC. Athens had a direct democracy, or a government in which all citizens voted on rules and laws. It was an alternative to the government of a single person, like the king. Democracy was based on the participation of all citizens in decision-making or in the development of laws, so they could choose those who held public office, or be chosen for it. City-states, they were special political units that were used to organize a community. There were hundreds of these communities in ancient Greece. Romans. In Rome, several social groups coexisted. The patricians were the upper class, the wealthy landowners, people with privileges who could vote in elections. The commoners, the low-income population, freedmen or free workers, the slaves. The main activities were agriculture, breeding of livestock, fishing, commercial and military navigation, and urban jobs. Roman government. Ancient Rome experienced three different types of government. Monarchy, it was the first period in Roman civilization. The king was in charge of all the decisions and whose office was hereditary and for life. Republic. During this period, Romans started their expansion. There was a Senate composed of 300 members, which elected 2 consuls or superior judges who directed the government, remained in office for a year and had equal power, although to make decisions they had to consult the Senate. Empire. It was the last period of Roman civilization. The first emperor was the political and military Caesar Augustus, adopted son of Julius Caesar, who was murdered by the senators while trying to restore the monarchy during the Republic. In this last stage, the government was headed by the emperor, who concentrated all the authority.